Hello all, I welcome you all on Tech Insight. So let's start our video on daily job updates, but before that make sure you subscribe to this channel और इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक पूरा देखिएगा और इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बिल्कुल शेयर कीजिएगा ताकि सबको फायदा मिले. So the first job is from Amazon itself. They are hiring for programmer analyst 1 and the location is Telangana, that means for Hyderabad. So once we'll go down we can see the basic qualification जो कि है 0 to 5 years of experience, knowledge of scripting language such as SQL, Python or Java, proficiency to write code in Python or Java. So basically they are looking for Python, SQL and Java. So they also have a preferred qualification which includes AWS certified developers and hands-on experience on AWS services such as DynamoDB, Lambda functions, RDS, MySQL, S3 and EC2. So इस जॉब को अप्लाई करने के लिए आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाना होगा and I have pasted the link in the description below. So we have two jobs from the same company. उस कंपनी का नाम है SS&C. सो पहली पोजीशन है एसोसिएट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर एंड द सेकंड पोजीशन इज जावा डेवलपर. सो पहले हम देखते हैं एसोसिएट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर. लोकेशन विल बी हैदराबाद ओनली. सो यू कैन रीड दिस जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस लिंक. मैं आपको मेन हाईलाइट कवर कर देता हूँ. ये कंपनी बेसिकली मोबाइल ऐप्स एंड डेस्कटॉप एप्लीकेशंस पे काम करती है एंड दे हैवंट मेंशन एनी क्राइटेरिया सच एज इनको क्या डिग्री चाहिए एंड हाउ मच एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए. सो दैट मीन्स फ्रेशर्स कैन अप्लाई, इवन एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस जॉब. दिस इज फॉर एसोसिएट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर. लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. So moving on to the next job जो कि सेम कंपनी से है, that is for Java developer. Location again is Hyderabad only and the skill requirement is Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Angular, Backbone.js, D3, React. That means all the front-end technologies and also the RESTful web services. And they also require someone who have experience in agile methodology. Python is a plus. So who can apply for this job? Bachelor's degree or equivalent blend of education and experience. That means experienced person definitely can apply for the job. Even 0 to 1 year of experienced person can also apply for this job. The link to apply will be in the description of this video. So moving on to the next company, that is Vertafore. They are hiring for software engineer 1 and the location is again Hyderabad. So you can read the core responsibilities and requirements and knowledge skills by clicking on the link. I'll be quickly reading out the qualification for you. So which includes bachelor's degree in computer science or related technical field or equivalent practical experience. That means engineers in computer science or equivalents में apply कर सकते हैं and you should be having at least 6 to 2 years of professional experience with Java or .NET in common framework. That means अगर आप experience है from 6 months to 2 years you can apply for this job. And they also have one requirement, that is can work in advanced database magic with relational and NoSQL databases. So this was their requirement. If your skill matches the requirement, definitely apply for the job as soon as possible. Now moving on to the next job, that is from NetApp. They are hiring for programmer analyst for the location Bengaluru, Karnataka. So their education in demand is graduation or post graduation in computer science and engineering discipline and having 0 to 3 years of experience, hand-on experience in software development. That means first of all freshers person can apply, even experienced person can apply. That means it is a really good job that sets for freshers as well as experienced person. So the technical skill in demand is good knowledge in database like Oracle databases, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, middleware technologies such as Java, J2E framework. That means it opens the doors for wide range of applicants. So don't wait, apply it as soon as possible after watching this video. So the next job is from Genpact, a very well-known company, and they are hiring for process associate, that is for customer service. So guys who are looking for the process associate or customer service type of jobs, it is for you. So they are looking for BTech, BCA or any other graduate, and the batch they are looking for is 2019 to 2020 pass out, and the job location is Pune or even Hyderabad. So their qualification includes minimum qualification, that is freshers are eligible, minimum graduate in any discipline. Preferred qualification includes previous experience in a customer service role, effective probing skills, analyzing understanding, analytical skills and all. You can read all this information by clicking the link down below. Now the next job is from Texas Industry. Again, it's a very good company and they are hiring for software engineer. So their minimum requirement includes minimum BS degree in electrical engineering, electrical and computer science or computer engineering, computer science or related fields. That means most of the engineering degree they are covering. So minimum cumulative CGPA out of 4 should be 3 and you should be having a knowledge of C and C++ in programming and familiarity with assembly language programming, solid understanding of software engineering processes and the full software development life cycle. So guys, if your skill matches the requirement, definitely go and apply for the job as soon as possible since most of the jobs are expiring very soon. So if you got any value from this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with maximum of your friends so that everyone will get benefits. Subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to never miss these kind of videos. What more you want on this video, comment it down below so that I'll bring it in the future videos. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.